Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh, I win again!
What's yours now? What's yours?
Paper.
Paper?
Oh.
Welcome to my channel. Hi guys, I'm going to play with Daddy.
What are you going to play with, Daddy? What is that? Why are you not talking? Talk! You should talk! You should talk! So what are you going to do? What will you do,
If
Dad?
you get paper, you lose and dip your face in the water.
What if Daddy loses? What will you do? If Daddy loses, you will stop dipping your hands in the tub, okay? Or we will stop doing it, okay? Okay.
Daddy's face.
Okay. Are you ready? Go ahead, Daddy.
Ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
You lose, Daddy.
I will dip. Okay. Come on. Ah, you lose again. Okay.
Properly, do it properly. No shouting.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Ah, you lose again. You lose. I win. I have scissors. You have papers. You lose. Come on, dip your face. Dip your face. Dip your
Oh, you
face.
lost, Francis. You
Oh,
lost.
you lose.
3 points for Daddy. 2 points.
won. I have scissors. Again. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh, I win again.
What's yours now? What's yours?
Paper.
Paper?
Oh. Again.
Again.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Ah, Daddy lost. Daddy.
Daddy lost.
What?
You lost. You lost. You lost.
No. My God. You're a cheater.
1 point for Frances. 1 point for Frances. Oh, 4 points for Daddy.
Come on. Paper, scissors, shoot. Who's
Properly.
that?
Do it properly lang. No cheating.
No cheating. Again.
Again.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Who's that?
Do it properly. One more time. This
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Daddy lost. You lose, Daddy.
That's just drinking water.
Is the water clean, Frances?
Yeah, no.
Come on. Another.
Another one.
If I win, I will dip your face on that water. Come on. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. It's draw. It's a draw.
Scissors, Daddy.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Again. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Ah! Dip your face.
Oh my God. That's silly.
Okay, that's enough
a
na.
little bit.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
See you next time.
Not yet. We're not done.
Why?
See the numbers?
I won. I already
Whoever
won.
gets 10 points wins.
It's already 5.
5 versus Francis. Daddy got 5. You got 2. So it's not over yet.
Best of 10. Best of 10. Okay?
Okay.
If I win
It's you. If
one more time,
Me, I will win.
I will be the champion. Okay?
I will be
Okay,
the
best of
champion.
10. Okay.
Okay.
Ready? Go. Rock, paper,
Wait,
scissors.
I should count first.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go!
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Again. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Oh! That's cheating! You do like this and then you do like this? Oh my God.
Cheater. Francis. Francis.
Why me to win?
Francis. You should. Do not cheat, okay? Do not cheat, okay? 1 for Francis. Hurry up.
Okay. Ready? Go. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock.
Paper, scissors.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Yeah. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Again.
It's a time.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Ah! I win.
I think you lost.
No! I have scissors, you got paper, you lose.
Francis, you lose.
Paper win.
People
What?
wins.
You make your own rules? No way. It's your face.
No, since I will.
Okay.
We dip your face.
Okay. It's okay, guys. Bye. Say bye. I won. Daddy win.